Is the 7 steps to reprogramming yourself from NLP or Neuro Linguistic Programming? No. There is nothing in NLP or Neuro Linguistic Programming that's even remotely close to the 7 steps to reprogramming yourself. I have many testimonial videos and written testimonials from NLP masters, which I myself also am a master of NLP, who say that the 7 steps to reprogramming yourself is the greatest personal transformation tool in the history of mankind and more useful than all of the NLP training they took combined. And it's a fact. I had many students complain to me saying, I don't know why I took NLP. Once I took your course, I knew everything I needed to know. And it's unfortunate to say that because I don't want to disparage anything else. I actually really enjoyed learning what I learned in NLP, but the reality is very little of it ever causes any permanent change, and none of it really can delete the negative programs from your unconscious mind. There is not one tool in NLP, which is really a collection of tools that can do that. The 7 steps to reprogramming yourself is the only tool in the history of mankind that will show you how to go into the unconscious mind and delete the repeating negative thoughts and their corresponding emotions permanently. Think about this. Let's say that you have a past memory of something that happened that was terrible. There is no tool in NLP that will show you how to erase the pain so that when you think about it, you don't feel anything anymore. Whereas with our tool, you can take a rape trauma, the death of a loved one, a divorce, someone killing themselves in front of you, your own feelings of wanting to kill yourself because of alcoholism or other childhood abuse, and you can erase the feelings and the thoughts from those events, still remembering everything that happened, but feeling no pain about it at all. That's the definition of cleared. That's our definition. But you can't do that with anything else, definitely not with NLP. And if there is something else that does it, because I've seen a few other things, they're very, very, very slow, very painful usually, and take a very long time. We're talking about going from taking a year or 2 months to taking 20 minutes, the average time to clear something with the 7 steps. If you want to learn more, keep watching.